Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Kenmore brand washing machine and you're getting an F24 error and you're wondering what is this error and what can you do to get rid of it. So this is not one of the easier ones to fix. This is not a drain error or a fill error or something like that. What is happening here is that there's some kind of error with the water temperature sensor. And you know, like a lot of these errors, this can really be happening anywhere between. It could be the temperature sensor that's gone bad. It could be an issue with the wiring to the control board, or it could be a problem with the control board itself. So the first thing to do would just be to, you know, if you're just a homeowner, probably going to need to call a technician to do this, because if you get in there, you risk avoiding the warranty. But if you feel comfortable getting in there, the first thing to do is just check the wiring to the temperature sensor. Make sure there's nothing loose or corroded or damaged or anything like that. And if it's not that, then if everything seems fine there, you can just replace the temperature sensor. And then if that doesn't fix it, the next step would be to replace the control board. But anyways, hope this video helped you figure out what's going on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.